Hi there. App installers in Jamf Pro allow admins to deploy apps without needing to package them and keep them up to date automatically. Let's go through a brief overview of how to use app installers in Jamf Pro. From the Jamf Pro dashboard, navigate to Computers, Mac Apps, and click New. Under App Source, select Jamf App Catalog and then click Next. Here we have a list of over 100 applications to choose from. For my example, I'm making Google Chrome available in Jamf Self-Service for users to download, so let's use the filter field to help us find the application easier. Once found, select Add next to the application and accept any terms and conditions if prompted. Under the Configuration Settings tab, let's assign this application to a category and target group. For my example, I'm choosing a category I've already created, Web Browser, and assigning this to All Managed Clients as the target group. Instead of automatically installing this application on everyone's computer, I'm keeping Make Available in Self-Service selected so users have access to download it on their own. Next, under Configuration Profiles for additional settings, let's select Install Supporting Configuration Profiles so we can use the notification settings that we'll enable in the End User Experience tab. With our configuration settings complete, let's select the Self-Service tab. Here we have the option to add a description and ensure that users view the description. We can also assign the application to a category in Self-Service so that Google Chrome will appear in the web browser section when users go to install it. Finally, let's select the End User Experience tab. This tab allows us to customize how users will be notified when an update is available for Google Chrome. For my example, I'm customizing the notification frequency to be once a day and allowing users to defer the updates for up to 3 days. I'm also giving them a 30-minute grace period before the application force quits to update. With our deployment and update settings configured, let's click Save to finalize our configuration and make the app available in self-service. Thanks for watching.